In this video, we are going to talk about how you can qualify for ZkSync airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to follow their Twitter page, which is ZkSync. This one is the official one, which is having like 1.3 million followers. Now the next step would be to bridge your Ethereum tokens from other network to ZkSync era network over here. So you can use app.rhino.5. Now the next step would be having as many transactions on the ZK network as possible. So go to ZK stars and you can mint this NFTs for 0.001. You can mint like 20 NFTs at a time. Although the price of this NFTs are not much, but please consider you need to pay the gas fees as well, which would cost you somewhere around, I think so, $10 or $20 for minting these NFTs. Now go to layer3.xyz and select the network ZkSync over here and complete all this task over here, which would help you get more transactions on the ZkSync network. Now go to portals.zksync.io and bridge your Ethereum from other chain to ZkSync chain. Now you can also complete certain transactions on SyncSwap. So basically you can swap Ethereum to USDCs or some other coins over here. And our aim is to get as many transactions as possible on the ZkSync network. Now go to guild.xyz/ZkSync and complete this following task to get verified on Discord, which is level 1 and level 2, and then this is for the NFT holders. So here you will need to at least have $100 worth of Ethereum for completing all this task over here. Minimum is 50, you can have like $100, that should be fine. Now for completing most of the task, you will need to have a humanity score of 20 plus. So this will get you verified on level 2. The last way is you can go to ZkSync Mint and connect your wallet and check if you can mint this Libertas Omnibus NFT. So by doing all these steps, you might be eligible for ZkSync airdrop, which would be like a 4 to 5 figures airdrop hopefully in the future. So this is all about today's video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.